Hi there, I'm Dane Kennedy with Winegard, and I'm here to show you our brand new off-air solution, the FlatWave family. I'm going to start you off with our 25-mile indoor FlatWave Mini. It's a UHF only antenna, optimal for metropolitan areas. Our 35-mile original FlatWave, dual band UHF and VHF, optimal if you're a little farther out. Then of course, the big two, the indoor FlatWave Amped. This is an indoor antenna with an integrated amplifier of 1 dB of noise. That allows this antenna to not only be UHF and VHF, but it also works from 50 miles away. Another cool aspect to this is the USB power. This is what powers the amplifier. It goes along with the philosophy of saving money. You turn off the TV, you turn off the amp. All these antennas come with 3M command strips, which allows you to place it on your window or on your wall. They are double-sided. You can also lay them flat too. But sometimes people cannot use indoor antennas. There's a barrier. Sometimes they need to use an outdoor antenna. But they don't want to go through the hassle of setting up a 10-foot long Yagi, but they don't want to sacrifice performance either. So we have the solution here. Our most advanced antenna out there, the FlatWave Air. Another dual band antenna and the same integrated amplifier with 1 dB of noise. Now you hear me say 1 dB of noise. No other amp out there does that. The best amps, even if they have 30 dB of gain, usually have 4 to 5 dB of noise, in turn creating more junk, causing more pixelation and dropouts. With this 1 dB of noise, we have managed to maintain that picture, minimalizing dropouts and bringing you the true HD that satellite and cable can't offer. With this embedded amp on this 60+ mile range antenna, it also emits an 80-degree beam width, so it catches all that signal right there. And also, there's the installation. It comes with this foot and S mount right here, so it goes along with the same philosophy of a lot better looking and easy to install. This also has USB power for the amp, but it also comes with an adapter if you need to use more TVs. And why I say that is this antenna right here has the capability of running up to 4 TVs without a distribution preamp. The integrated reflector allows it to have that increased range without being any bigger. And the integrated amplifier, besides that 1 dB of noise, has 10 times the power handling capability of your standard preamp. What I mean there is that it can work up to closer ranges. So if you're within 40 miles or 30 miles, you don't have to worry about overdriving your antenna. What I mean by that is if the towers are too close, you can actually, most amplifiers, you will actually overshoot them and lose picture. With this power handling capability of this amplifier, you don't have to worry about that. Also, there's RF filtering, which means if you're by a cell phone tower, you don't get those unwanted RF signals. But as you see here, the simplicity and the aesthetically pleasing looks of these antennas are what separates it from the rest. Not only that, but you don't sacrifice performance either. This one right here especially performs like the best Yagi out there. It goes along with more people are cutting the cord. That is because of the high cost of cable. By 2020, people could be looking at a $200 bill for cable. So they have their streaming programming, but they still want their live local television. They don't want to go through the hassle of the Yagi, and they don't want to sacrifice performance. We have the solution right here with the entire FlatWave family. Also, that amplifier technology I was telling you about, we sell that separately as well. This is our boost right here. Everything I told you about the RF filtering, the 1 dB of noise, the USB power energy saver, the 10 times the power handling capability, it's all right here. It works with any passive outdoor antenna. And this one right here, same philosophy. This is our inline amplifier, our Boost XT. Same 1 dB of noise, same philosophy, but this is designed to work with any indoor passive antenna. It's an inline amp. Now, after I'm done explaining about the off-air market here, I'd like to go back into the satellite market. We have right here our Winegard carryout. This is a dish HD product and a DirecTV standard definition product. It does up to 2 receivers, as you can see right here on both ports. Any dish receiver and any DirecTV receiver, as long as it's not a swim capable receiver. Powered by a 12-volt receptacle right here. Lightweight, easy to carry, easy to conceal, and brings you great satellite picture quality. Optimal for tailgating, RVs, hunting, or fishing. But this isn't the only one we got. Sometimes people can't afford this price point. We have something else. We're very proud to say we're partnering with Dish Network on this. This is our Pathway X2. It is software driven by 211 receivers. I'll show you right here. It's a very easy setup. That's the power right there. The 211 receiver has a mobile application on it where you go in, you select how many receivers you want to use, you select what arc, and you select what state you're in. You let it search, it locks on. Under 5 minutes you're watching Dish Network. And this is Dish Network HD, let me remind you. What separates this from the current tailgater out there is this has a bigger reflector, in turn creating a stronger gain, and it has the ability to lock on not only Dish Network's Western arc, but their Eastern arc as well. And when you lock it onto that 72 satellite, it has the ability to use not 1, but 2 Dish Network receivers. And another thing that separates it from the tailgater is we come with a 2-year warranty. Very lightweight. And the cool thing is you can watch it move. So that's all I have for you from Winegard. If you have any more questions, please visit us at www.winegard.com. Thank you.